What happens to your body when you eat pumpkin seeds every day? It's a question more people are starting to ask as these tiny green gems, known as pumpkin seeds or pepitas, gain popularity in the world of health and nutrition. At first glance, they might seem like just another crunchy topping for salads or a quick handful snack between meals, but pumpkin seeds are actually one of the most nutrient-dense foods you can include in your daily diet. Hidden inside every small seed is a powerhouse of essential vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and healthy fats that can transform your energy levels, support your heart, balance your hormones, and even improve your sleep. If you've ever underestimated the humble pumpkin seed, it's time to take a closer look at why nutritionists and health experts are calling them one of nature's most underrated superfoods. When you think of pumpkin seeds, you might picture the leftovers from carving a pumpkin on Halloween. But these seeds have been celebrated for thousands of years. Ancient civilizations, including the Aztecs and Native Americans, prized them for both their nutritional value and medicinal properties. Today, science confirms what ancient cultures already knew. Pumpkin seeds are loaded with compounds that benefit nearly every system in the human body. They contain a unique combination of plant-based protein, healthy fats, and micronutrients that support the heart, brain, immune system, and metabolism. The real magic of pumpkin seeds lies in how easily they fit into any diet: vegan, keto, paleo, or just a balanced everyday plan, making them an effortless way to upgrade your nutrition without drastic lifestyle changes. One of the first things people notice when they start eating pumpkin seeds regularly is an improvement in energy and focus. That's largely due to their impressive magnesium content. Magnesium is one of the most important minerals for the human body, yet studies show that many adults don't get enough of it. Just a small handful of pumpkin seeds, about an ounce, provides nearly half of your daily recommended intake. Magnesium supports over 300 biochemical reactions in the body, including muscle function, nerve transmission, and energy production. It also plays a vital role in balancing blood sugar levels and maintaining a calm nervous system. If you often feel tired, anxious, or struggle with muscle cramps, adding pumpkin seeds to your daily meals could make a noticeable difference within weeks. Another nutrient that sets pumpkin seeds apart is zinc, which is crucial for immune health, hormone regulation, and skin repair. Zinc is also known for its ability to enhance wound healing, support the sense of taste and smell, and even improve fertility in both men and women. Unfortunately, zinc deficiency is relatively common, particularly among people who follow plant-based diets. Pumpkin seeds are one of the richest plant sources of zinc, making them an excellent choice for anyone looking to strengthen their immune defenses naturally. During cold and flu season, regularly snacking on pumpkin seeds or adding them to your breakfast smoothie can help keep your immune system resilient. But the benefits don't stop there. Pumpkin seeds are rich in antioxidants, powerful compounds that protect the body from oxidative stress and inflammation. Chronic inflammation is linked to numerous modern diseases, including heart disease, diabetes, arthritis, and even certain cancers. By incorporating antioxidant-rich foods like pumpkin seeds, you help reduce the damage caused by free radicals and support long-term cellular health. These antioxidants, including vitamin E and polyphenol, work synergistically with the seed's omega-6 fatty acids to create a protective shield for your cells, slowing down the aging process from the inside out. Speaking of the heart, pumpkin seeds are one of the best natural foods you can eat to support cardiovascular health. Their healthy fat profile, combined with fiber, magnesium, and antioxidants, contributes to lowering bad cholesterol, LDL, while boosting good cholesterol, HDL. The result is improved blood flow, reduced arterial plaque buildup, and more stable blood pressure levels. In several studies, people who consumed pumpkin seed oil regularly experienced lower blood pressure and improved heart performance. This makes pumpkin seeds a natural ally for anyone looking to reduce the risk of heart disease without relying solely on supplements or medications. Pumpkin seeds are also famous for their role in supporting better sleep and relaxation. They're a natural source of tryptophan, an amino acid that helps produce serotonin and melatonin, two hormones essential for regulating mood and sleep cycles. When combined with magnesium and zinc, tryptophan's effects become even more pronounced, helping you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. If you're someone who struggles with insomnia or restless nights, a handful of pumpkin seeds in the evening, perhaps paired with a banana or yogurt, could be the simple, natural sleep aid you've been looking for. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Let's not forget about their benefits for digestion and metabolism. If you eat the seeds with their shell intact, they provide a good dose of dietary fiber, which keeps your digestive system running smoothly and supports a healthy gut microbiome. A well-functioning digestive system doesn't just prevent bloating or constipation. It also enhances nutrient absorption, immune response, and even mood stability. Fiber-rich foods like pumpkin seeds can help you feel fuller for longer, which makes them a great snack option for weight management or for curbing late-night cravings without guilt. The seeds also play a surprising role in hormonal balance and reproductive health. For men, pumpkin seeds have long been associated with prostate health. Studies suggest that compounds in pumpkin seeds may help reduce symptoms of benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, a common condition that causes urinary difficulties in older men. For women, the zinc, iron, and healthy fats in pumpkin seeds can support hormone regulation, especially during menstruation and menopause. Some nutritionists even recommend seed cycling, a natural hormone balancing method that alternates between different seeds, including pumpkin seeds, throughout the menstrual cycle to support fertility and hormonal equilibrium. Another often overlooked benefit of pumpkin seeds is their potential to help stabilize blood sugar levels. Research shows that eating them regularly can improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar spikes, which is beneficial for people with diabetes or anyone trying to maintain steady energy throughout the day. The combination of protein, fiber, and healthy fats slows down digestion, preventing those sudden energy crashes that often come after consuming refined carbohydrates. Beyond internal health, pumpkin seeds also promote glowing skin and strong hair. The zinc and antioxidants in these seeds contribute to collagen production, which keeps your skin elastic, smooth, and youthful. Meanwhile, the fatty acids nourish the scalp, helping to prevent dryness and hair loss. Some people even use pumpkin seed oil topically to improve hair thickness and shine, though eating them regularly will naturally deliver those same beauty benefits from within. One of the best things about pumpkin seeds is how easy they are to include in your diet. You can eat them raw, roasted, or even sprouted for enhanced nutrient absorption. Sprinkle them over salads, oatmeal, yogurt, or soups. Blend them into smoothies for a subtle nutty flavor, or make homemade pumpkin seed butter as a nutritious alternative to peanut butter. They're also excellent as a crunchy coating for baked chicken or tofu, and they add texture to energy bars and granola mixes. No matter how you choose to enjoy them, their mild, earthy flavor complements both sweet and savory dishes. It's important to choose high-quality pumpkin seeds, preferably raw and unsalted, to get the full range of nutrients without added sodium or oils. Store them in an airtight container in a cool, dark place to prevent oxidation and preserve their freshness. Because they're calorie-dense, moderation is key. About a quarter cup per day is enough to reap all their benefits. Ultimately, pumpkin seeds are one of the simplest, most versatile, and most powerful superfoods you can add to your routine. They're proof that great things truly come in small packages. From protecting your heart and balancing your hormones to helping you sleep better, build muscle, and maintain glowing skin, these tiny seeds offer big results. Whether you're looking to upgrade your nutrition, prevent disease, or simply feel more energized, pumpkin seeds are a natural choice that fits effortlessly into any lifestyle. So next time you reach for a snack, skip the chips and grab a handful of pumpkin seeds. Your body will thank you, one crunchy bite at a time. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.